Hello, and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to see Netflix password on your phone. So to do this, you have just to go to Google Chrome, open it. Just let me log out or sign out from my account. And to apply this method, you have just to be to save your password on your phone, Android or iPhone, no problem. Or you can save it on your Google Password Manager. So to do this, you have just to go, or to see your password, you have just to go to put your finger on email or mobile number, and as you can see in my keyboard, it tells me password for netflix.com, and it shows me my email account. So to see my password, I have just to click on it, and after that I have to click next to password. And as you can see, there is an eye icon next to the password. To see my password, I have just to click on it and I will see the password. Of course, I will not show my password now in the video, but if you click on the eye icon, it will show you your password directly. So I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next